How to resize image in Photopea.com. Open up your web browser and go to Photopea, hit enter, and then open up the online photo editor. From here, you're going to have to drag and drop your image. So let's just drop our file here. So what I'm going to do is go to this device. I'm going to load this device's settings. So I'm going to go to WeTransfer. We have this file, but we don't have the folder here. So what I'm going to do is go to Pictures and then select this folder. Let's just view file. And now I'm going to import this image. All right, so once you open up the image, your editor will open up. In order to resize the image, what you can do is double click on it and then drag it from the side. But if you're unable to do so, what you can do is just double click on it again. So we've got this image as our background, and you cannot resize the background. So let's just add a picture on top of it. So add a layer, and then from this layer option, I'm gonna add another layer here, and then add a picture. So here I've added this image. So what I'm gonna do next is just go back. So I've got the background and then I've got the image. If I try to resize it like this from the corner, you could easily resize it without messing up the aspect ratio. But if you do it from side to side or top to bottom, you are most probably gonna mess it up. So what you're gonna do is hold Shift and it's gonna resize the photo and stretch it. So if you don't want that, just go ahead and drag it just like so. Select your image and then drag it, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you resize image on Photopea. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.